Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way in which you can get instant payouts on Stripe. So to start with, you first want to be on the Stripe website like I'm on here, and you just want to head to the dashboard, and we can find that in the top right corner. So once we've clicked on that, we want to go to settings up here. We want to click on this cog, and from here we just want to look for business settings. Now if you go down a bit, you can see bank accounts and currencies. Click on that. And as you can see here, payout schedule. So we can set this to every single day if we want, but how do we actually go about getting it instant? Now, instant payouts will not be an option for everyone to start with. You do actually need to have $5,000 worth of sales and must have had an account open for 60 days. So if you've not met those requirements, you will unfortunately not be able to get paid instantly. However, once you have done that, you will then be able to select instant payouts. And then as soon as you get a sale, it will instantly be sent to your account and it will make life a lot easier. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to get paid with instant payouts. If you did, please comment down below to say that helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.